The VDB Expo app is characterized by a rich and engaging search experience. Let us show you how to take advantage of the fun that is VDB Expo Search. You can reach product search in a couple of different ways. You can search for all of the products available at the Expo by going up to this search bar in the menu, or if you're on the home page, just start searching with this pink box. Or if you're at an exhibitor, so let's go into Exhibitor Search real quick and open up an exhibitor page. You can also search for the specific inventory available from that exhibitor. But for now, let's go into the main search. And as you can see, we have a search panel with a lot of search characteristics on it. So you can search by the 4 C's, as one would expect. You can also search for color, including by overtone and intensity. You can search for the various cut grades, polish symmetry, fluorescence, any of the different lab certificates that are available. You can search by the location of the stone. You can also search for particular vendors right from in here and just search their inventory. You can look at depth and table sizes. You can set minimum and maximum prices and go to some very specific measurements and ratios and even treatments. So these are all of the opportunities you have for search, and you can use any combination of those to make your search as broad or as narrow as you like. For right now, let's just do a fairly broad, all shapes, a lot of sizes, and a pretty good range of color. And let's just see what we get. We hit search. And there you have it. You can start searching for your inventory from there. Anytime you want to modify your search or launch a new search, you can either click this modify button and go back to search, or you can clear your search and start over. You can also go deeper into many of these categories just by looking at the caret menu. See, what you see on the screen just shows you the top row, but by clicking here you can see you have many other search options. Anytime you see the caret, you can expand that element for more search opportunities. You can also save any search so that you can come back later and look for inventory with the same characteristics. So in this case, let's look for only these shapes. In these colors. We search. And once we have our results, you'll see up here at the top of the search screen, there's now a little save icon. If we save this search, we can come back to it later without having to make the selections. And you can find your saved searches by clicking over here on the save icon. And there we go. There's our new search. We wanted princesses, squares, and cushions in just this color range. You can also search for inventory from directly within your exhibitor. So let's see, who do we want to search with? Let's search here. So we're going to go to the Dia-Rough exhibitor page, and then at the bottom we can see the inventory button. We click on see inventory, and now you can see all of the inventory that Dia-Rough is listing for this show. So those are just some ways that you can search for inventory in the VDB app. Enjoy the show.